Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and getting immediate wins. Install SQL and a supported Windows server, and create the SolarWinds service account so polling can begin. Next, apply your license key and ensure SNMP and WMI credentials are ready. This lets SolarWinds query devices without interruption. Once done, open required firewall ports and verify DNS entries. Make sure the Orion web console responds locally before adding devices, so initial discovery proceeds smoothly without avoidable network errors. You now perform discovery and shape monitoring. Run network discovery against defined IP ranges using SNMP for network gear and WMI or agentless methods for servers. As devices appear, add nodes and tag them by role to simplify views and reporting. Enable interface discovery and choose relevant performance counters so pollers gather useful metrics. Then set sensible polling intervals and create alert thresholds. This prevents alert storms and ensures you capture meaningful trends. Make sure templates match device types to avoid noisy data. Finish by building dashboards and mapping critical paths to surface the right metrics at a glance. You should tune alert severity and escalation so on-call teams respond appropriately, and schedule maintenance windows to suppress expected noise. Once dashboards and reports look correct, test high availability or failover and review Orion logs for errors. If things go wrong, restart the SolarWinds services and rerun core pollers. That often clears credential or cache issues. Finally, document settings so future troubleshooting is consistent and fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.